we are doing class 7, lesson 2, part 1. Book Honeycomb, the gift of chappal. You heard correct? The name of the lesson is the gift of chappals. Okay, so today let us see the characters in this lesson. Mrudu is a girl who is staying with her grandparents, Tapi and Tata. Her grandparent in Tamil, Tapi is known as grandmother and Tata as grandfather. So Mrudu, this girl is, she lives with her grandparents and she has an aunt. Her name is Rukumani. Rukumani's children are Lali, Ravi and Meena. So Mrudu's grandparents or grandmother says that we shall go to the aunt's house, Rukumani, to her house today. So they are going to go to her aunt's house. And in this lesson there are two parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1 we learn how these children, these cousins have a secret. And in part 2 what we learn is how the music sir comes to teach Lali music and the beggar that comes. So let us proceed front. Ravi pulled Mrudu. So as soon as they reached aunt's house, the cousin Ravi, he pulls Mrudu. He wants to show something, so he is pulling her as soon as he reaches the house. But what Mrudu says, wait, let me take off my slippers. So Mrudu says, wait, let me take off my slippers. He is pulling her and pulling her. He says, wait. She sets them out neatly. So out of the house near the gate, she keeps the slippers nicely. Neatly she keeps. Mrudu notices a pair of large black slippers with a mark of toes. Now while she was keeping the slippers, what she notices is she notices a large black pair of slippers with marks of toes. So the slippers having the marks of toes. Now Ravi took Mrudu to the backyard. Again he started pulling her. She didn't even see the slippers neatly. Who's there? He pulled her. Ravi pulled her and took her to the backyard. Inside a torn football line. So what she saw, there was a football which was torn in and it was kept. In that what she saw was, he showed a very small kitten lapping milk from a coconut shell. So he showed her, he was so desperate. So he wanted her to take it to the backyard to show her the kitten. And the kitten was lapping milk, it was drinking milk. Meena and Ravi found it outside the gate, moving and moving. So where did they find this kitten? They are telling that it was near the gate, outside the gate, and this cat was moving, this kitten was moving and moving. Meena tells Mrudu that it's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for a Padu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. Now what Meena tells Mrudu, she says that it's a secret. Don't tell anybody in the house. Otherwise, now Meena tells Mrudu, she tells that don't tell the secret. Nobody knows in the house that we have brought a cat and we have kept a cat. If Amma, that is their mother, comes to know and Pati comes to know, Pati will not live in this house. She will leave this house and she will go to Padu Mama's house, she says. Ravi describes the problems he is facing. Now what problems Ravi is facing keeping the cat, we are going to see here. People always tell us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, oh, don't bring that dirty creature here. It was so difficult to get milk from the kitchen. Now what happens is, Ravi says that everybody says be kind to animals, but actually when we touch an animal or when we are giving milk to an animal, all the family members and all the shout, hey, don't touch these dirty creatures, don't give it milk, they say. Pati saw him with a glass of milk. Suddenly what Pati saw that Ravi is taking a glass of milk. She looks suspicious. She looks suspicious because how suddenly Ravi is taking a glass of milk, and Ravi says that no, I want to drink the glass of milk, and he has to drink the glass of milk. He had to drink most of the milk. He had to drink most of the milk because he had to show Pati that he took that glass of milk for him to drink. To throw her off the scent. Now to throw her off the scent means just to tell her that he didn't want it to Pati should come to know that he is taking the milk for the cat. So what he had to do, he had to drink the milk. He didn't want it that Pati should know that this milk is for the cat. So he drinks the milk. That is what he to throw her off the scent. Now Pati asks the glass back. So Pati, she says, give me the glass. I will wash it and keep. But he wanted to take the milk to the cat. So what he says, what Ravi says that I will wash it and keep, Pati. So he takes the remaining milk to the cat. Ravi tells the kitten full name. Now when he goes out, Ravi tells Mrudu the kitten's name. What was the kitten's name? It was Mahindra. They kept its name Mahindra. Mahindra Varma Pallava Ponnai. The full name of the cat was Mahindra Varma Pallava Ponnai. And now Ravi is very happy with this cat. He loves the cat so much that he is praising and praising and praising this cat. He says, fine breed of cat. So he says this cat is a fine breed of cat. Compares the fur of the cat with lion's mane. He says he is comparing the fur, fur of the cat to the lion's mane. What is a lion's mane? The neck, on the neck, lion's neck, there is a fur. He says it is like the fur of the cat is having the fur like a lion's mane. Ravi also questions Mrudu about the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings. So Ravi questions, do you know the Pallavas also have a emblem, and on that emblem there is a lion. So that also he asks, do you know that? So Mrudu giggles. She laughs. She says and she laughs. Ravi asks Mrudu, have you? So he is questioning her, do you know that? He tells that when he last went there, he saw a statue of his tatas, etc. Now this is the exact text taken from the textbook, and he says that there he saw a statue, and it is a statue of this cat, that is his tatas. Tatas means descendant, great descendant. Mahindra is a descendant from that very ancient cat. So he says Mahindra is a very descendant from that cat. Meena and Mrudu exchange look. Now Meena and Mrudu are not understanding what Ravi is telling. They look at each other and they look at each other and they give a smile. What does that have to do with anything? Mrudu demands. So Mrudu says, what that has to do with this cat? I am telling, this cat is descendant from the Egyptian cat. God. No, goddess. So he says this cat is a descendant of the Egyptian god. So he compares to so many, and he is so happy that he is praising the cat. It is a descendant, and he is very praising that cat. Mahindra looked alarmed. Now Mahindra is a cat. It suddenly got alarmed. He was sharpening his claw on the edge of coconut shell. Now this cat was sharpening its claws on the coconut shell. Creech! A weird sound came from the window, and suddenly a weird sound, a weird coming out from the window. Mrudu was startled. What is startled? Startled means shocked. Mrudu was shocked. But the screeching did not stop, and Mrudu asked surprisingly, what's the noise? So this sound that was coming, the screeching sound that came from the window, it didn't stop. It went on going, and she was surprised. And Mrudu asked, what's the noise? A weird sound came from the window. Mrudu was startled. Again, the weird sound that was coming, she was getting shocked. What is this voice coming? MP Ponnai was frightened. Now, with that voice, MP Ponnai is Mahindra, that cat. It was also frightened. He bounced on a tray of red chilies, Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over it. So even this cat was so frightened that it tried to hide itself. It bounced on a tray. There was a tray of chilies kept for drying, and it went there and it hid beneath this chilies. It tipped some few chilies on himself. Meow! He howled miserably. So the cat, it gave a very horrible, miserable sound. Hearing that sound, the cat also was very frightened. Ravi told that Lali is learning to play violin. So what Ravi is telling, that sound that is coming, that is from the violin. That is one more cousin, Lali. Now she comes in the picture. Lali, she is playing a violin. He compares masters singing like a train, whizzing on and on, while Lali's train is derailing. Now he is comparing it like the master is singing so swiftly, so nicely, like how the train is on the track, and he says that Lali, his train is derailing. Derailing means she is not doing it neatly and nicely. Meanings: scrawny, thin, suggesting skinny toes. Pati, grandmother in Tamil. Throw her off the scent. Mislead her so that she won't understand the real purpose. Tata, grandfather in Tamil. Descendant from, a descendant of or comes from the same family. Stow away, someone who hides himself, herself in a ship or an aircraft to travel unnoticed. Weird, strange or unusual.